and welcome. Now, over there off in the darkness is a 2015 Dodge Journey. And this trick will probably work with other Dodges as well as many other cars because a lot of them have plastic fittings. And some of y'all know what this is. This is part of the heater return and supply. And I already broke the plastic off around here. And this is that T-fitting that's behind the engine block. By the firewall goes to the heater core. And a lot of you know, number one, plastic brittle brakes. Two, it's an extremely expensive part because you got to buy the whole assembly. Well, we're not buying the whole assembly. This is what I got. This right here. Here it is. This ain't gonna break. And the reason it started, because this is an emergency repair. Don't have time to order it. 5/8 hose to replace this hose. So, I'm gonna get it on. So here we are. I'm gonna let it run, check for leaks. And there it is. That brass fitting is right there. See, the hose just goes straight up there. And that's it. And I'm going to be honest. The best thing to do, because the hoses don't completely fit the barbs that well, except for the 5/8 generic heater hose right there, it fits perfectly. The other hoses don't fit that well. So it's best to take this left hose off that right there, and then take the right hose that is over there and disconnect it up here and make sure they're on there where you know where they're at, and tighten all three of those down really good, and then just use that stock clamp and the stock clamp there to put those hoses back on, and then attach that one. That's the best way to do it, because tightening those hose clamps up right there and getting them tight enough is kind of a pain from up here. But if you get them on, get those tightened down out of the car first, and then put the stock clamps on right there, you can see about where I'm pointing, and right over here, it makes it a lot easier. And now I'm sure, well, I know a lot of people will, that's not right, that's not correct, etc, etc, etc. Well, it's Sunday night. I got to the hardware store 10 minutes before they closed to pick up that part. Going to pull apart, well, probably gonna break one of those off trying to get it. And none of the parts stores had it around here. And I only found one on Summit, and it was 2 weeks out for a ship date. And it was a whole freaking assembly that didn't need. So, let it run, get up to temp, no leaks. And no, that brass ain't gonna break. So, it is a cheap, easy fix. That brass fitting is a $5 part. Just gotta make sure you get all the hoses tight. And that's it. Now, I hope this information proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.